Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Cisco iOS XE SD-WAN routers that we call as a cEdge. So in lab we have the CSR 1000V virtual router that is running in Cisco iOS XE SD-WAN image. That one we are going to upgrade now. So this is our vManage console. When I click on the WAN edge, I have like 5 devices. The last one is the cEdge, that is actually a device model CSR 1000V that is running image 16.12.3. So from there we are going to upgrade it to 16.12.4a. And if you see, when you select this option under routers SD-WAN XE SD-WAN router, we have CSR 1000V series iOS XE SD-WAN image. And when you select the image, that is 16.12.4a, you can see QQ image, OVA. These are all for your new installation. When you spin the new virtual router, you have to use this one. For upgrading, we have to use this .bin file. So I'm going to download this file and start the upgrade. This is my cEdge for CLI. When I give show version, you can see it is running in iOS XE software 16.12.03. And if you want to check the SD-WAN version, show SD-WAN, and then you have to type the version. So this is the iOS XE SD-WAN version, and also we can check show SD-WAN software. So it will give you the value how we see in our the vEdges, active true and default true. Now let's start the software upgrade process. So before we start upgrading, let's locate the file in the router. So I'm giving dir bootflash pipe include CSR 1000V. So the image that we are going to upgrade is the last one, that is running in 16.12.4a. That is the one we have downloaded, and it's a three-step process to upgrade here. The command is request platform software SD-WAN, again software. If I give question mark, you can see there is an option for install and then upgrade, confirm, activate. First one we have to give install, and it is asking for the location bootflash colon, then the file name. I'm just copying from here. This is the file we are going to upgrade. This is running in 16.12.4a. This is a .bin file, and that's it. We can enter. So it is installing now. So the installation is completed. I'm just going to verify with show SD-WAN software command. So you can see still it is showing the previous image, that is 12.3 as true, because we have not yet activated your 12.04 image. So the second step is you have to activate that request platform software SD-WAN software, and then activate. You have to give this, you have to enter that image name 16.12.4a and then enter. So it will activate this image. So 16.12.4a it didn't took. Actually we have to give this the complete value 16.12.04a.0.9. So when I give request platform software SD-WAN software activate 16.12.04a.0.9, it is taking. So now it's getting activated. I'm going to stop the video till it gets activated. So it is activated now. Once it is activated, it will automatically reboot the router. So it is getting rebooted now. Once it comes online, we will see the status. Also in the vManage console, you can see control connection down for one device. There is nothing but our cEdge4, the one which just got activated, and it is still showing 16.12.3 because it is getting rebooted. Once it gets rebooted and then comes online, we can see 12.4, the new image. The router is back online now. We can check the show version. So it is running in 16.12.04. It is upgraded, and we can check show SDWAN version. That is there. Show SDWAN software. So you can see now 12.04a is true. It is upgraded, and to complete the upgrade, there is another command that we have to give: request platform software SDWAN software upgrade confirm. So we have to confirm our upgrade, then only it will complete the upgrade process. So you can see now show SDWAN software, it says confirmed by the user, and before we run this update confirm command, it was showing auto confirmed. So basically it's like a 3-step process of upgrade. So after you give SDWAN request platform software SDWAN software, you give a question mark, you can see the first we have to give the install command, then the activate command, then the upgrade confirm command. So once the upgrade is successfully completed, make sure confirm the control connections comes back online. The command is show SDWAN control connections. To give the S, show SDWAN control connections. So it is all up, and also show SDWAN OMP peers. So all the control connections and OMP pairs are up, and also go to vManage. We can confirm now all the control connections up with your cEdges, and you can also verify the version is showing 16.12.04. So that's the procedure how you upgrade your Cisco IOS XE SD-WAN image. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.